Post office already. I'm taking my number. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. Today I'll be taking you along my day. Now I'm all dressed up. I'm going for a little errand for my husband. Then I will see you guys later. Keep watching, and if you know you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Guys, I'm out already and it is raining. Thank God I'm with umbrella. It's rainy guys, rainy day. See you guys later. Guys, if not that where I'm going to is very, very important. I'm going to pay some bills for my son's school fees. I'm going to the post office. If not because it's important, I go for no come out from my house. As it is raining now, under the duvet, not supposed to just cover myself up with my little baby at home. Okay, we move, guys. Guys, there's nobody. The post office is closed from 8 to 11:15. So I don't know what to do now. Whether I should wait or I should go home and then come back again. I don't know. Just a little bit confused. I don't know. Alright guys. Later open door guys. I'm inside the post office already. I'm taking my number. Just waiting for my number. Waiting for my turn, so that they can call me and I can go and do whatever I want to do. Talk to you guys later.
bouncy hair, and then the coiling hair, the types of right, it is coily, then likely to be pixie. You can say the Burmese coil, the more bogus one. You can say the deep wave is more deeper, it's not tiny, tiny, tiny. I want to come in this. I would advise, if you don't have so much capital, just ignore what I'm saying about the raw hair, because it is not your best style. If you don't have capital, you can.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Bye bye.